I joined mainly for the education opportunities, the trade show, which is absolutely fantastic. I have stayed because of the connections that we've made. This is our industry association, and the connections are boundless. You make great friends here, you do great business here. It's the place to be.
It was really the opportunity to partner with key customers, key partners in distribution, to really enhance our position in the marketplace, grow our business, accelerate growth, and really find opportunities to help customers like we never have before, as well as get in front of committees that are really driving things that we're very focused on and passionate about. And an example of that would be sustainability, which is a big component for our organization, and I know it is for ISSA.
There's so many challenges with understanding the industry, and I think ISSA was the educational resource that helped us to understand the challenges and create the direction of our company so that we could provide value-added services.
Obviously, ISSA is the gold standard in the industry. The connections that it gives us, the collaboration with different companies and vendors, the training and teaching, even the certifications that they provide. So we take advantage of that. In this industry today, if you're not collaborating and if you're not learning, you're not moving forward.
ISSA is really a benchmark for us as a reference with so many customers. So you have that common benchmark, and then you get the opportunities to network that ISSA creates for us. It's just a tremendous opportunity to build on those relationships.
Working with ISSA has been a tremendous opportunity to expand our horizons and really start to think about what the future has to hold when it comes to cleaning.
Business has changed dramatically since I joined in the late 90s. It's changed dramatically in the last 2 or 3 years. But business is really good. It needs to be better, and this is a place to make it better. But ISSA is a great resource no matter what your business problem or your business opportunity. So I would encourage you to join.